Hey everybody, my name's Brittany and this is my new YouTube channel and I'm very excited to be doing it. I'm going to be uploading a lot of new songs. I play piano and guitar and I'm just really excited to be doing this. So this is basically my first video. I'm going to be uploading Paparazzi by Lady Gaga in a little bit on my piano. So I'm really excited to be doing that, and I just wanted to say that this is my new channel and I'm going to be dedicated to this channel and to all my followers. So subscribe to my channel and I'll love you forever. Anyways, my last YouTube channel was Singing Brittany 101186 or something. It was just a big joke, that channel, honestly, and I need to get serious with my music. So I figured why not just make a serious channel and leave that one for fun stuff and stuff like that. So I'm really excited. So here we go. I will be uploading a video as much as I can. I'm going to be doing music and beauty stuff, clothes stuff, anything related, basically girl stuff. Stuff like that. So I'm really excited and I hope you guys like my new channel and I promise I'll be very dedicated to it, and yeah, so I hope you guys like it. Bye!